What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. It's your boy Pat back with another video. But before we get this video started, I need you guys to go down below right now, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell. If you guys get the channel to 2,000 subscribers before the end of the week, today is currently July 7th and it's Tuesday. If you guys get the channel to 2,000 subs before the end of the week, which is Sunday, I will give you guys a sneak peek of the new wheels for the truck. So I know you guys can do it. Let's do it. If you have to share the video, share it with everybody. And you know, you guys know what to do, so let's do it. So yeah, in today's video, you guys know we picked up some new or some factory reps off of, I think these came off of a Tahoe. We picked these up super cheap, got a super good deal on them. I think we paid 500 bucks for them, with one tire needing to be replaced. The rest of the tires, you can see, have super good tread on them. Tires are almost still pretty brand new. You can see that there. Like, look at that. But yeah, don't mind those other tires in the background. That's for another video, and yeah, don't mind those. But yeah, we picked those up last week to go on the single cab. I know a lot of people been asking, where's the single cab? What's been going on with the single cab? It's still here, just I've been dailying it to work, so really haven't been giving it a lot of attention. But while we have the big truck sitting like that, we're gonna do a few little things here and there, starting with the wheels. So we're gonna get the wheels thrown on, probably not today, but hopefully in this video I'll have them put on, because I had to order the lug nuts. I ordered some, I ain't gonna tell you guys what kind I ordered. They're not spiked, but I ordered some lug nuts that's gonna kind of tie this whole little build together. So I'm waiting on those. Hopefully they come in this week, fingers crossed. But yeah, I got those. So that's what we're waiting on. I have to go tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, so tomorrow I'm gonna go and run and get a new tire put on the rim. Whoa, the one rim. You can see, I'm gonna show you guys. It has a blown belt, and the guy selling them to me, he told me that when I bought them. I'm not sure if you can see it right there. You can see how that egg kinda in the tire, and it's all the way around the tire. So it has a blown belt. Nothing major. For the price we picked these up, it was definitely worth it. I think a new tire is gonna run me 100 bucks, so that ain't nothing. So we're gonna get that replaced, and hopefully by the end of this week have them thrown on the truck. But let's discuss a few things I want to do to the truck. I definitely want to get a leveling kit for the truck, because I hate the stance that it has right now. It's just hideous. I definitely want to get new shocks all the way around to give the truck a little better ride. It doesn't ride horrible at all, and I'm not looking for a Cadillac smooth ride, because just like I said, it's a work truck. So I just want to do a few little things just to, you know, give me a better experience with the truck. But the truck has been doing awesome. Knock on imaginary wood. The truck's been doing awesome since we picked it up, and I have no complaints on it. So I want to treat it a little better, or you know, spruce it up a little bit, show it I care about it, you know. So yeah, so like I said, like I started saying in this video, today we're gonna go ahead and work on getting these wheels cleaned up and ready to put on the truck whenever I get the lug nuts and the new tire put on. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up real quick, and shouldn't take as long. I'm gonna use just a regular old Scotch-Brite pad just to scuff them up. Well, not scuff them up, but get all the dirt and stuff off of them, and that'll be about it. How you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
All right, my neighbor. But that's gonna be about it. Nothing major that you need. It's all you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you guys. It makes a big difference. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all this talking because I know a lot of you guys don't like it. Probably already clicked out the video, but let's get to it, guys. And yeah, let's go. All right, so got the wheels here. Like I said, we're gonna use a regular Scotch-Brite pad, and I'm gonna use some totally awesome all-purpose degreaser cleaner, and that's gonna get these things shined up really nice. They're not super dirty, but you can see there is some pitting starting to occur, and they're just really dusty. They were sitting up for a while. The guy took them off, and so yeah, they've been sitting up for a while. So that's all I really need is a good cleaning. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and yeah, I'm gonna show you. So you guys see the before, all up in there, and alright, so before I finish them up, I wanted to show you guys one of what they look like before and one after it's been cleaned, so you can really kind of tell the difference. It might be not that apparent on camera, but you can definitely tell in person that this one's a lot cleaner and a lot shinier, and it doesn't have as much pitting on the wheel anymore. You can see this one hasn't been cleaned yet. It's not major pitting, it's just you can see it starting to begin. So I want to go ahead and knock all that off before it starts to get bad. And then, so that's one before I cleaned it, and then after. I haven't dried it off yet or anything, but you can just see that difference in clarity and shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this fourth one, and that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I know it's gonna be a short video, but tomorrow I will I'll make a whole nother video, me going to the tire shop and getting a new tire installed, put on, and fingers crossed that our lug nuts will be in. So I'll probably put all that in a second video, but this video is mainly gonna be us cleaning the wheels up and getting them ready to put on the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this fourth one. I'm not gonna video it because you guys have seen me clean 3 of them already. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for stopping in. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell. Do not forget that you guys get the channel to 2,000 subs before this Sunday coming. Today is currently July 7th. This video probably will go up tomorrow, which will be July 8th. So you guys have to the end of the weekend. If you guys get the channel to 2,000 subs, I will show you guys a sneak peek of the wheels that we have coming for the 6.0. So let's do it, guys. I know we can do it. You guys have been supporting the channel so good lately, and up to this point. So I mean, I'm super appreciative, and I just want to continue to grow and continue to make good content for you guys. So I appreciate you guys for stopping in, and have a great day.